Oh my gosh.
That's a big one. You got a big one.
Okay. Got him. Got him. Yep. Fish on it. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to try and get some rainbows, some browns, and some splake. This lake's also got some tiger muskie as well, so we're going to see what they want to do. See if we can't find some fish and catch some big ones.
It's chilly today, 13 degrees, probably feels like quite a bit colder, but we're going to get out there and actually end up camping out there tonight. I'll give you guys an update as we get set up. All right, guys, this is what we're dealing with. We got two giant jet sleds absolutely loaded down with gear, prepped basically for the next 18 hours or so. It's a whiteout, as you can see. There are like two guys out there, but you can't even see them because it's snowing so hard. So probably gonna suck, but we're gonna get underway. All right, guys, we made it. We got the double cots set up behind us, up on some snow and on the pads to keep everything insulated. We got double buddy heaters, bunch of propane there, and then over here we're prepping the holes, and we got our whole food and drink inventory in the cooler in the corner. We're just getting live scope set up now, so we got high hopes. Without further ado, we're gonna get set up here and get on fishing. All right, guys, so this is the bait of choice. Start things off, just a little, is it tungsten jig head? Tungsten jig head with a little krill.
Yep.
Never, there's a fish on you right now.
Whenever they want to start feeding, and then it could be lights out.
Do you normally see like a couple fish? Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's gonna eat you.
Is he?
Yeah, he's gonna eat you.
Oh, dude, he's giant.
Oh my god. On the live. And when he does that, try and set it still. Dead stick it.
Okay.
Just let him eat it.
Trout love just missing it every time.
When they come in aggressive like that, if you're bobbing it and he's hitting at it, just let it sit.
Okay.
They almost like a bass, they'll inhale it, and you'll feel the boom, and then you've got to hit it then, because if they feel that tension, they'll spit it right back.
Okay. Oh, fish all over me. Yep. Oh, he just missed it. Oh, he missed it again. Oh, he's on it. Got him. Yes, sir.
So when they do that, real quick, because they'll dart back both ways.
He missed it 2 times, dude.
Oh, it's a little guy. We got our first one now. First one down.
Dude, that dude was fired up. And literally, three minutes after I changed the profile, I downsized profiles and switched up a plastic. Oh, that was so cool, sight fishing them.
Good stuff.
On the little white plastic.
Yeah, new plastics.
Okay, that feels really good. Yeah, first one of the trip, hopefully of many. We got a bunch more fish down there as we were taking shots and whatnot. We had a bunch more fish, like you could see them on live scope, look through the holes, and then see them swim through. It's super cool. We're in 12 foot of water, so, and it's very clear, so you can see basically everything. That's how I caught that guy. I didn't even feel him eat because he swiped at it twice, missed it. Got him to fire. Oh, giant on me. Here he is. Here he is.
Yeah.
Big one, dude.
Good stuff, bud.
Big.
Good stuff.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Thanks, bud. There was another one with him, though.
He came up so fast.
He's got him fired right now.
He didn't fight long enough, can you tell?
Yeah.
I somehow got his head up and just was like, all right.
He came right up that hole. Good stuff, dude.
Whew, got the double camera angle. That should be a sweet shot for you. All right, here's number 2. About the same exact size. Same thing, he came in, missed it once, sight fished him on the 2nd or 3rd eat, but we're gonna get him right back down. Off she goes. Alrighty guys, here's a look at that really nice brown off the jacker. How long do you think he is?
I'd say he's right around 18.
18? Real thick boy. So you guys can tell, literally no one out here. It's a whiteout. It's really cool. So yeah, we're gonna keep him for dinner. Oh, keep him for dinner?
Oh yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna worry about it.
Oh, big one, big one, big one.
On you?
Yeah. Shut that door. Yeah, right there. He's back, he's back. Got him, got him. Got him? Yep. He's not that big, another rainbow. He is bigger. A little
He's
bit.
got a little bit of size.
A little bit more spunk. Oh, that's so cool through the ice. Oh yeah, he is better. Look at him just freak out, dude. That's insane.
Yeah, that's cool.
Gotta get his head up. There he is.
There he is. Boom. He's
It's
a little bigger.
Pretty one.
Yeah, he's a little bigger.
Got
some size to him.
Baby. Alright, this is fish number 3 on the day. We're starting to get it figured out. We downsized jigs and all of a sudden they're starting to really get after it. So we're gonna get him right back down. Try to get on some bigger ones. Jaw jacker up. Oh, dang it. Nice little chunky dude. We'll give him a dip. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Apologize for being out of breath. Like I've already mentioned, this altitude is actually getting to me a lot more than I'm used to. We just got this little dude on the jaw jacker along with, is it krill?
Yeah.
Tipped with just a little bit of krill. The last hour, the only thing that's fired are these jaw jackers. All right, guys, doing things right. Glizzy cheers for the win. I'm flying the drone. Dylan's got a fish on my rod. He just missed him. Oh, let's go.
Little guy.
Hey, I got the drone up.
Oh, you got one on you.
Oh, dude, big one. So fat. It's a different fish. It looks like a sucker.
Oh, we do have suckers.
Wait. Oh, he's got the tail in his mouth.
We do have suckers.
He's wicked thick. He's coming to you.
Yeah, he's gonna come with the stud. He is a sucker.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, he's
Super thick.
Yeah, he's a thick boy. That's a big one.
Oh my gosh.
That's a big one. You got a big one.
Dude, literally first drop. Think it's a brown?
I don't know. Probably big rainbow if I had to guess.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you got a big one. I'm not gonna touch your line. I'm getting this.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, hold on. I think he's wrapped in scope. Yeah, he is.
No way, dude.
He got wrapped in the live scope.
Oh my gosh. Wasn't even the same caliber of fish we've hooked all day.
No, that was a big one.
Oh, dude, I dropped down and I saw it on live scope. Quick hit start on the GoPro. And then all of a sudden I looked down, I couldn't see my bait.
Because those browns, they'll fight really good, but rainbows, as soon as you hook them like that,
yeah,
zzz, that's
really
like, the browns, they're more lethargic. Like you'll feel head shakes,
okay.
And then when they realize they're hooked, that's when they go.
Gotcha.
Those rainbows, dude, as soon as they feel it, they're gone.
Dang. We're just getting set up for bed and we got a couple fish coming in. Way up high. Oh my gosh, that's a giant. Dude, that fish is huge.
Yeah, that's big.
I wonder if we turn the lights off.
We might.
I bet that's messing with him. Fish on it. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. He came in hot.
That's a good one.
Is it?
He's not huge, but...
Or you're gonna have to do it on your own.
Oh, he's not huge. He's right here.
Oh geez, dude, it's a good brown.
Another brown?
Oh my gosh. I'm jealous.
The brown guy.
You are the brown guy today. Dang, he came in so hot. He's a clone of that other one. Nice rainbow, nice rainbow. Here he is. Oh, he missed it. No, he's here. There we go.
Oh.
He's a nice one.